Ali Konate, immigrant mill-Mali li lu jgħix Malta mill-2002. Waqt Breakfast News fuq One jitkellem dwar il-ħabib tiegħu Mamadou Camara, l-immigrant li miet waqt li kien fil-kustodju tal-forzi tal-ordni.
He was a very friendly person. Every time when he go to some place, everyone will know him because he jokes with people, laugh and do things. That's why his death at the moment shocked everyone. Because till today, some people didn't believe that he's him really dead.
Ali Konate qal li wara li ħarab miċ-ċentru ta' detenzjoni Mamadou dejjem għex rasu. Kienet biss il-biża li żammitu lura milli jmur lura ċ-ċentru ta' detenzjoni biex jiskonta żmien neċessarju ħalli jibda jgħix legalment f'Malta. Il-problemi nqalgħu meta kellu bżonn attenzjoni medika. Sħabu ħaduh l-isptar iżda it-tabib ma setax jgħinu peress li kien maħrub mill-awtoritajiet.
The doctor told them, listen, I cannot do such things because he has no ID. So what we do now is to send him to detention, then from detention they will take him to Mount Carmel.
Jirrakkonta kemm kien diffiċli għalihom biex jinformaw l-qraba ta' Mamadou Camara, partikolarment lil missieru bl-aħbar ta' mewtu.
It was not easy, because before he go to hospital, he spoke to his father.
Ali Konate huwa membru tan-Network for Equality, għaqda li flimkien ma' 9 għaqdiet oħra umanitarji appellaw lill-gvern biex l-inkjesta dwar dan il-każ tkun verament trasparenti.